Hello and welcome to today's Grammar Game Show. I'm your host, Will. Will Will be willing to let you win? All will be revealed. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone!
Tonight we're going to ask you 3 questions about
Will! That little modal verb that does so much.
It's my birthday, and I'll cry if I want to. Now let's meet our contestants.
Hello all, I'm James.
And contestant number 2,
It's nice to meet you. I'm Frank.
James and Frank. Oh dear, it's my birthday and what I say goes. Well, more than usual anyway. So now you're William and you can be Wilfred.
Hey, you can't do that. I love being called James.
Quiet, William. You know, you remind me a lot of my Uncle Wilbert.
Why, did he stand up for himself too?
Oh no, he mysteriously disappeared. How about you, Wilfred? Any problems?
Not here.
Good. Now that we're all ready, let's have our first question. Like myself, the modal verb will is a useful thing to have around. Have a look at these sentences and tell me what each use of will is. Who wants to go first?
I will.
No, I will.
No, I will.
No, I will.
Guys! You've got it all wrong. I will, you, William, you, Wilfred. But if you can't decide, we'll use the buzzers. Here we go. It will rain tomorrow.
That's will as a future auxiliary verb for a prediction.
Correct!
I'll have orange juice, please.
That's will, used for a decision made at the moment of speaking.
Correct!
Thanks for your help. I'll pay you back on Friday.
That's will used for a promise.
Correct!
Are you hungry? I'll make you a sandwich.
That's will, used as an offer to do something.
Correct!
I'll kill you for this.
That's will used for a threat.
Correct!
Leslie,
Well done! Will is a modal auxiliary verb, which means it's always followed by a bare infinitive and doesn't change to show person or time. It has many uses, including future predictions, future intentions, instant decisions, promises, threats, and offers to help, among others.
good job both of you. Have 76 points. On to round 2. True or false? In the same way as the present simple, will can be used to describe present habits and routines.
True.
It is true. Can you give me an example?
I've heard that people will often not come home from this show. And if anyone's going to disappear, I would much rather it be James. William. Of course.
Leslie!
Well done, Wilfred. Will can be used to describe present habits and typical behavior, just like the present simple.
I'll kill you for that.
Excellent use of will for a threat, but minus 10 points for going to the dark side on my birthday. Just like Uncle Wilbur. He was a bit of a wet blanket too. At first. Wilfred, 12 points for you. Our final question then. In some ways, shall can be used as a substitute for will. But there are a few rules about its use. Give me 3 of them.
We only really use shall with I and we.
Correct.
That's 1.
you can use shall to ask someone's opinion when making an offer. For example, shall I open the window?
Well done. One more.
The response to a question with shall we is let's or let's not.
Leslie!
Good stuff. Shall can be used to ask for advice and make suggestions and offers. However, shall is usually only used with the pronouns I or we. A common response to a suggestion with shall we is let's. Shall is a little bit formal and a bit old-fashioned, but it has its place.
Just like you, Leslie. Trapped for all eternity wherever you are. Excellent. 3 points to William. And that brings us to the end of today's Grammar Game Show. But before we go, let's play a party game. It's my birthday after all. How about musical podiums? I'll play some music and you two switch places. When the music stops, we'll know who the winner is. Are you ready? Go! Oh, I neglected to nominate which podium would lose. Oh well. Release the seagulls, and the winner is me. Oh, Leslie, what do I win?
It's a birthday cake.
Oh, Leslie, I thought you'd forgotten. You really are a true friend.
Does that mean you'll invite me to your party?
But that means I'd have to let you out of your box in the sky. I've invited your family, though. Say goodbye, Leslie.
And young E Keseo, Leslie.
See you next time.